with Ukraine's drone army taking out thousands of armored vehicles and tanks, being one of the most effective defenses against these weapon systems. Ukraine's drone army has increased their destroyed ratio, as it's very important that each vehicle is completely destroyed so Russia can't repair and reuse it. Something Russian crew often help out with, leaving open doors or hatches, resulting in a fire, an ammunition cook-off, or even an explosion, destroying everything inside, with the explosion only leaving scraps of metal in pieces, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.